of the reference of something being at the tip of the iceberg. What does this really mean? And how does it pertain to your core values and how they impact your company's culture? According to Edward T. Hall, the proverbial tip of the iceberg symbolizes the observable behaviors in a culture. The external or surface culture represents the tip of the iceberg. Not only does it represent behaviors, but it also represents traditions, customs, and those things you can easily see, hear, and touch, like food, language, dress, greetings, music, and more. It is that 10% that's above the sea, things you learn explicitly, things you're conscious of, things that can be changed easily, and objective knowledge. The most dangerous part of the iceberg, however, is the 90% that is below the sea and cannot be seen. Those underlying things that can significantly impact your company's culture and brand. The internal or deep culture represents things that are learned implicitly, things you're unconscious of, things that are difficult to change, and subjective knowledge. Can you guess where core values are located on the cultural iceberg? Yep, they are part of that internal deep culture. Getting those core values right has a direct impact on the attitudes, beliefs, and priorities that comprise your company's culture. Examples of things that fall below sea level include respect for authority, religion, concepts of time, decision-making models, worldview, and values. This is why carefully crafting your core values and making sure that they are an accurate reflection of what your company stands for is essential.